95, which is right back here, is closed for miles in both directions because of this ongoing flooding. And that's why officials in North and South Carolina are still giving this warning to residents that they need to evacuate. We've seen helicopters going by throughout the day, doing more rescues, pulling people from their homes because, as you mentioned, there is that ongoing concern about flooding. Some of these rivers are expected to stay at major flood level at least until the end of the weekend. So they're trying to get everyone out safely. They've already done more than 2,000 rescues in North Carolina alone. Allison.
Oh, all right, Marcy, thank you very much. Doug is here now with some numbers.
Yeah, pretty impressive and scary. The fact that many communities picked up a foot of water more in a 24-hour period. Is nowhere to go. And the rivers are interesting in that portion of North Carolina. They do historically take a long time to drain out because they have to eventually get into the Albemarle, Pamlico Sounds, and that eventually will get involved with the ocean water. But it does take a long time. Take a look at these numbers here. This is just a little sampling of North Carolina numbers. Holly Springs, North Carolina, all this area not that far of a drive from the Raleigh-Durham area. Almost 10 inches in Holly Springs, 12 inches in Fayetteville, 13.2 inches in Stedman and Hope Mills, North Carolina, nearly 15 inches of rain, all this recorded in 24 hours. That amount of rainfalls, and sometimes there were reports of it raining 3 to 4 inches an hour in a couple of spots. So it was horrendous rain, and then you saw the effects on the coasts with the surge. This is way inland stuff, so it was a tremendously
this isn't even near the coast.
Storm. No, it was a couple-hour drive inland. Wow. Yeah, absolutely incredible. So our thoughts and prayers with the people there. Here, we're on the northern side of things where high pressure dominates, and the weather is gorgeous. Hey, there's a friendly tonight. I never heard that term before. Scrimmage maybe, but I guess in the soccer world they call it a friendly. It's a game tonight, kind of a scrimmage between the U.S. men's national soccer team and Team New Zealand at RFK at 8 o'clock. The weather perfect for soccer, perfect for any outdoor activity. Check this out, the look this afternoon in Fairfax at Army-Navy Country Club. 62 degrees right now. Grass is still green. Trees are still filled with leaves and green. Sky is blue. But over the next 3 or 4 weeks, you'll see lots of changes happening around here with the color changes, the daylight hours getting shorter and shorter. And before you're going to know it, you're going to say, wow, what happened to summer? Totally gone. It was gone this morning in communities like Frederick, also near Leesburg and Damascus and a few other spots where they woke up to frost. But we made a nice recovery into the middle 60s, where it is right now 66 degrees. Satellite and radar view just to show just a few high clouds moving through the area. No storminess. Just very quiet, pleasant early autumn weather. Partly cloudy tonight. 42 to 52 degrees by early morning with a light wind. And the forecast wake-up temperatures across the region. They'll be chilly, but not as cold as this morning. We're calling for a low of 48 in Bethesda, 46 in Fairfax, 42 in Manassas, about the same number. In Culpeper, 45 degrees in Leesburg, 46 in Columbia. Warmer near the bay and the waters because the water temperatures are so much warmer. They still, for another month or so, will kind of modify the air temperatures nearby. Otherwise, our zone forecast shows a nice recovery into the upper 60s in our western zones tomorrow, close to 70 in the metro area with plenty of sunshine. Calling for a high of 69 degrees at Reagan National, 67 in Upper Marlboro, and 68 degrees in Alexandria. Forecast highs to the south about the same in the upper 60s. A very pleasant Wednesday across the region. Our temperature will do a bit of swing for us as we head into Thursday, as we'll get a push late Wednesday into Thursday. This is tomorrow. When you see southwesterly winds out to the west, we're still getting a cooler flow off the ocean, but it is going to turn on us here as we get through Wednesday night and Thursday. We'll get a push of warmer air ahead of the cold front. Mid-70s here on Thursday, maybe an isolated shower with a front, and then Friday it gets chilly again, breezy, gorgeous. We get another full dose of autumn weather. Here are the next 7 days for you. We've got ourselves sunshine, 70 degrees tomorrow, 74 on Thursday with an isolated shower, breezy, cooler, 64, delightful Friday, a good-looking weekend. Next chance of rain with the next cold front. Won't head this way until Monday with highs then in the 70s. That's the latest from the Weather Center. Leon.
All right. Thanks, Doug. Let's get now to an update on one of our breaking stories from the top of the hour. Transportation reporter Brianne Carter is standing by at the McPherson Square station with the latest on those metro delays on the blue, orange, and silver lines. Brianne, what are you learning right now?
Well, Leon, some confusion, many people asking what's going on, and also major crowding here on the platforms at the McPherson Square station. You take a look here, just look at all of the riders here waiting for a train. Now, this after just a moment or so ago, we did have a train come through, offload its passengers, turn the lights off, and leave the station. Then 2 minutes later, a train returned to that same stretch of the track, reloaded passengers, and then left. So not sure if they were originally told it was a door problem that was happening there. Not sure if that was fixed or if it was another train coming through. Here's what we know is happening right now. They are single tracking in this area between Federal Center and Smithsonian stations because of a track issue that was originally discovered during a routine track walk earlier today. We do understand Metro is now telling customers orange and blue line trains will be subject to delays of 20 to 40 minutes in addition to your normal commutes. You're asked to add extra time. We also understand all Silver Line trains only operating between Ballston and Wjla Reston East. This is to reduce the congestion downtown here in the core. And so they are asking riders go ahead and take an Orange Line train out of the city, out to the Silver Line. But again, we have major crowding here on the platform as delays, congestion, and some confusion for riders continues tonight. Back inside to you.
Okay, confusion indeed, Brianne. Thank you. We also have another breaking story to show you. Look at the Beltway. We are monitoring this where traffic is backed up